Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I was gonna do an update on the shop. It's actually done now, except for getting the electricity put in it. It's been done for a few weeks. I hadn't been out here much. I had messed around and got COVID or something. I never went to the doctor, got a test. Whatever it was bad. But I done finally got over that. Some stuff that I had done, like this porch area right here, overhang. I wish I wouldn't have done that. As much as I like it, it is a lot of money for no good space. I mean, if you just look at that, if I'd have just put walls down the sides of that instead of having it open, that would have been a lot more space. But it is what it is now. That's the front garage door. You can kind of see where the roof drops off here on the front, down to 10 foot. My intention is to put a wall inside right there and have this front area kind of an office type deal where I can hopefully have some stuff stocked up. Dark in here with some doors closed. But this is pretty much it. Hopefully this about where we're at right here is where that wall will go. But that's still gonna be a ways away. I mean, there's no big hurry. I'm out of money now putting this thing up here. I see there's some gaps right there. You can see that sunlight shining through right there. I need to get up there and close that off or something. There's a few of them. Put a little light in. I still got to do a couple things that I really didn't. I thought I had thought out, but I didn't. So behind this door right here, I got to get some more dirt. My intention when I had it done, I was thinking that I could block off or room off a section in here to do the painting and stuff in, but there's not room for it. So what I'm gonna do is come out this back door. We'll get me some dirt built up out here. A little ways out, not too much, because I don't want to pay for a lot more dirt. And then put an overhang on it. Put an overhang right over that door. Probably all the way down to catch that door. And then I can do the painting out here. Like I said, I just need to get the dirt because it's going down so low. I need it up flat, or a lot closer to flat than it is. I need a bush hog out here to get this stuff cut. And do something with all this overspill on the concrete. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that crap. But this is it. Just about ready to roll. Like I say, once I get that done, I'm probably gonna try to get this dirt done first and the overhang, and then get the electricity put in. Right now, it's just a matter of money. The money's going fast. Actually, it's gone. This building cost a lot. I mean, a lot. But I like it, and it's gonna get the job done. This porch area. I just wanted this area because it looks so good on it. But this is a lot of wasted space, man. But it don't matter, it's here now. So I just wanted to do a quick update on it. Everything's still going good. I can't say for sure when I'm gonna have it finished and actually be working in here. We're still a few months from moving out here. A friend of mine is over there working on floors now. Man, he did an awesome job on them hardwood floors too. It looks good. But anyway, just a quick update. I can already see where a lot of stuff going. That whole wall just about is gonna be a steel rack. At least about 25 foot of it. And then the lifts and tables and all that's gonna pretty much be in the center, I guess. I ain't positive yet. I hate to wall that thing off because it's gonna look a lot smaller when I do that. But I need that area up there for other stuff. So anyway, just a quick update on the shop. Oh, I got some videos coming. I got one up now that I have to go make public or whatever and get it put on. But I got some videos coming, man. I've been busy. Like I say, I was sick and it was hard working with that sickness. I ain't even lying. I tried to force myself to still work and it's like you're just moving in slow-mo. COVID's got you feeling so bad. I mean, it was horrible. But anyway, I'm over it now. So I'm gonna get the videos back coming again. Hopefully we'll be in this thing. It's September. Hopefully we're gonna be in there at the beginning of the year at least. And we'll take it from there. I still got a lot of stuff I need to get done around here. So anyway, if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and y'all come back for the next one. We'll see you then.